Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best muffin papers is probably one of the most underrated tools in your kitchen, but trust me, they're a game changer. From perfectly portioned cupcakes to easy cleanup, these little cups do it all. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of muffin papers, exploring different types, sizes, and materials to help you find the perfect fit for your baking needs. Get ready to elevate your baking game and say goodbye to messy pans. Number 5. Bake Choice Tulip Cupcake Liners. Introducing Bake Choice Tulip Cupcake Liners. These unbleached liners are perfect for elevating your baking. They add a touch of elegance to your cupcakes and muffins. Each package includes 200 liners. The bottom diameter is 1.97 inches, fitting standard pans. The depth varies, offering a capacity of 3 ounces. Bake Choice prioritizes quality. The paper is sourced from Europe and complies with FDA and FSC regulations. This brand is committed to safe and green food packaging. These tulip liners upgrade your treats. They're perfect for cupcakes, biscuits, tarts, cookies, and brownies. Just unfold a liner and enjoy. Made from thick 50-55 gram M2 greaseproof paper, it can handle temperatures up to 220 degrees Celsius 428 degrees Fahrenheit. It's consistently greaseproof and safe for baking. The liners come in a craft paper box with a cardboard holder. This ensures they arrive in perfect condition. We ensure every customer receives a perfect product. What we like. These tulip cupcake liners are made from unbleached European parchment paper, ensuring a safe and green choice for your baking needs. The thicker, heat-resistant paper can handle temperatures up to 428 degrees Fahrenheit. If you're looking to elevate your cupcakes with a touch of elegance and versatility, you should consider these. What people say. They fit standard muffin pans perfectly and hold up well in the oven without losing shape. The elegant tulip design adds a professional touch, making them perfect for parties and special occasions. They expanded to the tin cup size while baking, and were still tall and sturdy when I took the muffins out. The muffins were perfect, and the papers looked quite artistic and cute, looked like they came from the local artisan bakery. Number 4. Eoonfirst Standard Cupcake Liners 200 PCS. These cupcake liners from Eoonfirst are made with food-grade paper and water-based ink. This means no harmful chemicals or odors during baking. You can use them without any worries. The liners are designed to be greaseproof, ensuring your baked goods release easily. They are perfect for your health. You can enjoy your treats without any concerns. Each liner has a bottom diameter of 5.0 centimeters and a height of 3.25 centimeters. The package includes 200 pieces, so you'll have plenty for all your baking needs. The liners come in a PET cylindrical box, making them easy to select, protect, and store. This packaging keeps them safe and organized. These cupcake liners are perfect for birthdays, weddings, and holiday parties. Try them for various treats like peanut butter cups and cake balls. They will enhance any celebration. What we like. These cupcake liners are made with water-based ink, ensuring no harmful chemicals or bad odors during baking. The cylindrical packaging makes it easy to select and store. If you are looking for a healthy and convenient option for your cupcakes, you should choose these. What people say. The liners were greaseproof as stated, and I noticed that they also don't tear. The natural color looks good with any type of standard muffin or cupcake, and I didn't notice it getting any colored staining. The muffins were delicious and glided easily from the liner. Number 3. Qiqee Jumbo Cupcake Liners, 300 count. These Qiqee cupcake liners are designed for convenience. You can safely use them in your oven, microwave, and refrigerator. They can withstand high temperatures, making them perfect for all your baking needs. Each pack comes with 300 brown liners. They are a jumbo size, with a 2.2-inch bottom, a 3.94-inch top, and a 1.57-inch height. This size is ideal for making large, delicious cupcakes. The liners are made with superior, food-safe materials. The manufacturer prioritizes quality, ensuring there are no unhealthy smells or fading colors. They have passed food safety tests. Your health is the top priority. These liners are made with the best quality raw materials. The company focuses on providing a safe and healthy product for every customer. Qiqee is committed to providing good quality products and excellent service. They strive to build a strong brand reputation. They value customer satisfaction and are always working to improve. What we like. These jumbo cupcake liners are oven and microwave safe, withstanding temperatures up to 428 degrees Fahrenheit. The use of superior raw materials ensures your health and safety. If you are planning a party and need large, reliable liners, this is the one for you. What people say. These look like they are too small to fit into the cupcake square. But they work perfectly. Product is as described, works perfect for large muffins or large cupcakes. Deep cups, strong, paper, liners and minimal sticking when removing from cupcake or muffin. Number 2. Sparkle and Bash Floral Baking Cups. These Sparkle and Bash baking cups are perfect for bridal and baby showers. The floral design adds a unique touch, making your gatherings memorable and stylish. They are ideal for cupcakes, muffins, candies, and nuts. With their elegant floral design, they are beautiful additions to any event, offering versatile decorative options. Crafted from high-quality greaseproof paper, it retains moisture and withstands high oven temperatures. This ensures your cupcakes maintain their shape and appeal. Measuring 2.75 by 2.75 by 2.1875 inches, they fit snugly in standard baking pans. Their compact size ensures efficiency in your kitchen, enhancing your culinary creations. This set includes 50 flower cupcake wrappers, catering to both large and intimate gatherings. These decorative wrappers add flair to your event, ensuring every guest enjoys a beautifully presented treat. What we like. These floral watercolor cupcake liners are designed to add elegance to your events. Crafted from high-quality greaseproof paper, they retain moisture and withstand high oven temperatures. If you like to make your cupcakes look beautiful and stylish, you should choose these. What people say. Loved the design. Color was good after baking. Amazed at sturdiness on the cookie sheet. Kids love them and they held up well. They keep their shape and are non-stick. Number 1. Caperci Standard Cupcake Liners, 500 count. Introducing the Caperci Cupcake Liners, perfect for all your baking needs. This pack comes with 500 liners, ensuring you have plenty for any occasion. They are designed to make your cupcakes look professional. These liners fit standard cupcake and muffin pans perfectly. The top diameter is 7 centimeters, the bottom is 5 centimeters, and the height is 3 centimeters. They are the ideal size for your favorite recipes. Made with food-grade materials, these liners are free from any unwanted smells, poisons, or dyes. You can use them with complete peace of mind, knowing they are safe for you and your family. These cupcake wrappers can withstand temperatures up to 428 degrees Fahrenheit, making them perfect for the oven and microwave. They are also refrigerator safe, offering ultimate convenience. Whether it's a wedding, baby shower, or birthday, these high-quality baking cups will elevate your treats. Make your cupcakes the star of the show with these beautiful liners. We stand behind our product with a 12-month warranty. If you have any issues, feel free to contact us for a replacement. We are here to help. What we like. These cupcake liners come in a pack of 500, ensuring you have plenty for all your baking needs. The food-grade material guarantees no smells or poison, providing a safe baking experience. If you are looking for a large quantity of reliable and safe liners, you should consider these. What people say. They work great for the average size muffins I bake. The muffins bake evenly in them. The cupcakes don't stick to the papers, they're not thin and cheap, and they keep their pleated shape. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.